What's up? It's just Mountain Dew in here. We're just gonna go ahead and get into it because that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put my body lava on that I haven't had a chance to wear. This is the candy cognac. Nope, cognac candy. I don't know. Should I put it on the brush? Oh, all right. Let's dive on in. And it doesn't even look like it's that sunny out yet. Let me, So since I started this video off a little awkwardly, I'm Shamirio, for those of you who are new to my channel. We're just doing I guess I kind of sort of need to get back into habit of wearing makeup, but I still don't feel like doing a full beat look. That's what I'm gonna call it. I am about to go to my sister's house just to kick it with her for a little bit while still social distancing. So that's gonna happen, and yeah, that's the plan, that's the jam. And I haven't been able to wear any of my body lava because I've been on some Rapunzel type shit for the past, what, 2 months? I've been working from home since March, and yeah. So since the world's been closed, there's been no point to bust out the body lava or do anything like that. But here we are. I see a little bit of sun. Not as much as I thought. Okay, so like I said, this is just gonna be a minimal makeup look. I just haven't been wearing any and I wanna feel cute. I'm gonna put some of this fresh rose petal soft lip cream on my lips. This is a new purchase. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this now that I've tried it for like maybe a little more than a week. You would think that it was winter on my lips or something because my lips have been very dry. And I normally use Carmex, but I didn't know if after years of wearing Carmex, if my lips were kind of, I guess, getting immune to its magic, if you will. Where is my primer? This is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur plus Pore Minimize primer. It's new, so we're gonna give it a go. Anyway, what was I talking about? This is why it's so hard for me to do chatty get ready with me, because I'll say stuff and then I'm trying to also talk about what I'm using, and then I forget whatever it is I was talking about. I legit don't. Oh, so anyway, my lips have been very dry. It's the moral of the story, so I thought I needed to try something new. So I've heard a lot of good things about Fresh. I knew it was pricey, so I was like, well, maybe it's so expensive because it's so good. So I bought it, and it is super soft, but I feel that on my lips personally, it kind of leaves like a, I can't think of the right word I want to say, but I guess maybe the only word that I can think of, but I don't think it's that dramatic, is residue. It just kind of leaves this coat, if you will, on my lips once it's not as potent. So like right now it's fresh on my lips, but as time wears on, it's not going to be as potent, but it's still going to kind of leave traces. And one thing I like to do when it comes to removing anything from my lips is I like to take a wet rag and just run it across my lips. And I found myself having to scrub extra hard to kind of get the feeling of what this would leave off. And so now my lips are super raw, basically, is what I'm getting at. So it's like, I love it for how it makes my lips feel at the moment, but I don't like it for long term. Hopefully that's the best way I can say it. I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I talked about this in my favorites video. This is in the shade Y415. It's just something to give you a little something, but not a full something. It gives you a little, it gives you some coverage that will get you through, but not look caked on. My lips are so red. So I'm trying to talk about something other than the things that are going on in the world today. I mentioned that in my vlog, which reminds me, it's too late now, but I should have changed this SD card because I have vlog stuff on this card, and now I'm going to have a tutorial on it. I'm going to have to make sure, just pay attention when it comes to the editing. Anyway, I'm trying not to talk about the things that are going on in the world because I've already addressed those in the vlog that I'm also in the process of recording, and it got a little emotional and I was not prepared for that. Y'all know that I don't like to, I'm not a person who likes to showcase her emotions. So yeah, it just kind of caught me off guard. But so this is a distraction for me, I guess, if you will. Oh, I don't know if you could see what was on my TV, which I need to turn off. I was watching Blood and Water. It's a series, I'm gonna call it a mini series, on Netflix, that's based in South Africa. I think it's cute. And it's got my attention. I just had my shirt like that so the body lava could dry. And I guess it's as dry as it's gonna get. I'll definitely be done with Blood and Water by the end of the weekend because it's only 6 episodes, which is why I called it a mini series, and they're only like 40 minutes a piece. So that is a little annoying. I think I told y'all I'm going to my sister's house, and it was funny because we're supposed to still be practicing social distancing. So she was like, you know, we're gonna be outside on the deck. Da, da, da. Oh, I'm not using this. I'm just using the brush. She was like, so you don't need to do a full face. I'm like, you don't know me. I was like, but actually, I did tell my vlog, I was like, yep, I'm doing a full face. But it is like 80 degrees outside, so that probably wouldn't be the best thing, but I still want it to be decent because it's been so long since I've actually worn makeup. This is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. Oh, it's called Brunette Betty. So I do need to get in the habit of wearing makeup more because we have been given a date for when we're returning back to work, which I kind of think is sooner than what they're saying, but whatever. We'll see how these Rona stats looking, because people have been saying, I haven't been watching the news like that because it's too depressing, but people have been saying that there would likely be an uptick in cases because of people who were flocking to the beaches over Memorial Day weekend like we ain't in a fucking pandemic. And I was like, yeah, that sounds about right. I've seen videos. So, I don't know. We'll see how this all pans out. I'm gonna keep my eyeshadow real simple. We're just gonna do, for someone who has so many palettes, I stayed doing a simple look. This is the Juvia's Place Nubian palette. I'm just gonna take, I think the shade here, and get something going. This is good. Doesn't do much in terms of this particular shade since it's so close to my skin tone, but it's cool. Oh, so this is something that I did listen, what I said, this is something that I did mention in my last vlog, but it was towards the end, so if you didn't make it towards the end, then this will be new. So, I was just talking about how, you know, shit's still crazy outside, but my birthday is approaching. It's in July, and I don't really have anything planned for it. I would like to get a massage. I would like to get a facial. I'm gonna use the same brush and take this shade. But anyway, I would like to get a massage. I would like to get a facial, but I should have cleaned the brush off before I did that. I did not. It's fine. I don't know if it's safe, man. It's like I'm not why can't I talk? I'm not, well, because I'm talking too fast. That's part of the problem. I'm not trying to quote unquote live in fear, but I'm also not trying to die at 36. So, you know, especially if it's something I can do to help that from, or keep that from happening. So yeah, I don't know if those things are safe for me to do, but that's what I would like to do. Get a massage, get a facial, get a pedicure. Yeah, stuff like that. So I don't know what I'll do instead of that. And I was going to ask, have any of you had a birthday during this pandemic? Basically in January, February, March, April, you know what I'm saying? If you did, how did you celebrate your birthday? And if your birthday is approaching, what do you plan to do to celebrate it considering the circumstances? Inquiring minds, me, we want to know. Okie dokie, and we're almost done. I'm trying to figure out whether or not I want to put on lashes. See, my lip is peeling right there. And I know if I peel it, it's gonna bleed. I just got a little mini Hustler Baby Fenty that. Y'all know exactly. Highlighter, so we're gonna use that to highlight. That is one of the main things I miss about makeup, is wearing highlighter. Ooh, oh, all right. And I got Fenty's highlighter brush. It's the number 12. Nope, number 120. My finger was covering the 0. Can you see my highlight? I have no lights on. I'm just working with natural light, so hopefully you can see what's happening. Let's see, does that make it any better? Kind of. So yeah, I thought I was gonna put on lashes, but I think I won't. I have a little small Urban Decay Fool's Gold eyeshadow. I can't even read. It says Urban Decay, it's in the shade Fool's Gold. Oh girl. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my pinky and put some here. Whoa, all right. Okay, can y'all see that? I was not expecting the potency. Alrighty, next up I'm gonna do mascara, some gloss, and we out. And I'm just trying to be, I mean, I guess pretty soon here I won't have a choice, because I was gonna say I'm someone who owns a lot of makeup. I'm someone who owns a lot of makeup, and the more I don't wear it, it's just wasting. So I got to do better. I just went ahead and put some of that Hustler Baby under my brow bone. I removed the mascara from my nose. I still see a little spot. I decided I wanted a colorful lip gloss. This is Black Cherry. Why do I keep looking at it? This is Black Cherry by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ding! That's it. That's all, folks. That's all she's gonna do. Like I said, I was gonna do lashes, but nah, I don't feel like it. And I washed my hair last night, so curls are kind of popping. This one's like no. But yeah, that's the end look. So thank y'all for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you're having a good day. You're staying safe. You're staying sane. You're still social distancing and all that jazz. So yeah, that's it. See my necklace? All right, next time I'll see you when I do a video. Then that's a terrible ending, but that's how we're gonna end it. Okay, bye.